At Adam Grammar School, the Maths department have created a website for your child which we hope they find useful and will be beneficial for their learning. If we go to the website, just put in the URL that was on that screen. Sometimes it may return an error. This will be because your child is not logged in using their C2K email address. If you notice in the top right of the screen, the N, that's my initials, and you can see there the email address is at C2KEN. So they must make sure they're logged onto their C2KEN account before they start or before they click the link. I would encourage them to save the link or bookmark or favourite the link. Once you've gained access to the website, you will find it separated into different year groups. The content in each year group is different, however the format is very similar, so once you get used to using the website in year 8, it'll be easy when you use it in year 9, 10 and so on. Let's have a look at year 8. The first link on the year 8 webpage is the worked solutions. This is where we put the solutions to any questions which a pupil asks, which we feel maybe other pupils will ask as well, so the common problem questions. So we'd encourage your child to look here before asking for help to see is there anything that's already been answered, and if not, then just go to Google Classroom and message their teacher to ask for some help on a question. Then on the web page there is an introduction, and in the middle you have a knowledge organizer. They already have this in booklet format, but just to summarise, on the left hand side are questions or things which we feel pupils at that year group should know off by heart, and on the right hand side are the answers. So they can self-test by covering up the right hand side and asking themselves the questions on the left and making sure that they get them correct. And they should be able to go through and do all of these by the end of year 8. On the right hand side you'll see a link for drfrostmaths.com. This is a website where your child will have a username and password, and they can log in there and do questions on mathematics to gain points, and it's just a different platform for learning mathematics which they may find useful. As we scroll through the website we get to the next section, which is revision. Here you'll also find textbook answers. If your child is working at home with the textbook, they may find it useful to check their answers to reassure that they are doing the questions correctly. On the right hand side there is a revision list or a scheme of work. Basically what it does is it tells you everything that your child will be doing during the year from start to finish in order. So it'll say in short what it is they're doing. So for example, addition of whole numbers to begin with. It'll tell you the exercise those questions can be found on, exercise 1D, and in addition there's extra practice and answers if they've maybe done that and they want something different. If your child is working from home and struggling with a particular exercise, here's another place they can come to get help. So for example, if they're stuck with exercise 1D, they can click on the description, addition of whole numbers, and there'll be a video link to explain to them how to do it. The videos will be ones that I would recommend, or departmental videos, or quite often from corporate maths, which I would recommend as a good resource also. And takes you through basically everything they need to know in the year and what's on their winter exam or in summer exam. So this is really the starting point for your child's revision. Going through each topic individually and making sure each objective is understood fully before moving on to mixed practice. They can do this by getting their notebook, looking at the examples and trying to do the solutions themselves. Where they can't, they can read over the solutions and keep going over until they're happy, and then maybe revisiting some of the exercises that are linked to that objective to get more practice and to secure the knowledge. Once they're happy, they should hopefully get some time in class to go through some of the revision sheets, which can also be found here, so they can do them again in their own time. And normally at this stage of the year, then they would go off on their own study leave for the exam period. This is where they have the opportunity to work through the mixed practice, which is the summer practice exams or the winter practice exams. Pupils who, during the revision period, are able to independently work through these examinations are giving themselves a great opportunity to fulfil their potential in those exams. Just like when you're doing the AQE, you do plenty of practice papers. It's essential really to get that familiarity to do yourself justice in the examination. To summarise then, on the website you can find worked solutions to problem questions, a knowledge organiser, a link to drfrostmaths.com, which is a really well-made website full of resources for learning mathematics. You can find textbook answers, the revision list, link to textbook exercises and videos to explain each objective, revision sheets, and finally practice papers, all with answers included. I hope you find it useful.